Hey guys, hi, how are you? Welcome to couponing. This is Splint Rose. This haul is from CVS. And if you look at this, it's a Febreze product, but I believe it's a new product. It's a Febreze One. It's a fabric and air mist. Well, I had this coupon here where it says buy one Febreze One spray of mist and get one Febreze One refill free. So it will allow you up to $4.29. And these things were, what were they? $5.29. But they were 25% off. And these also were 25% off. The mist as well as the refill, they both were 25% off. So instead of paying $5.29 for them, I paid $3.97 for the refill, and I got 3 of the refills. 1, 2, 3. $3.97 for each one of those, and then for the bigger one, I paid, instead of paying $5.99, I paid $4.72. And then I, of course, I had 3 of the coupons, 3 of these coupons that well, 2 really, that I gave to the cashier. I had, anyway, so they took off the $4.29. Anyway, I ended up paying $8.91 for savings value of 74%. I saved $25.83. I did not get back any extra care bucks or anything, but I thought it was well worth the price to get these, and plus it comes with a refill. All right, so I just wanted to show you guys this, and if you have the these Febreze coupons came out of the P&G. P&G for what month? For February. Yeah, they came out of P&G for February. Okay, so you know we can only use 2 of these coupons at a time. So better luck next time. Okay. All right, guys. So thank you for joining me. Remember, have fun shopping. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up this video, press the notification button too, so that you'll be notified whenever I put up a video. All right, guys, I will talk to you later. Love you much. Take care. Bye-bye.